Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Canva login problems, account and access errors step by step clearly. First, check that your internet connection is stable by opening another website in your browser. Next, confirm you are using the correct Canva website or app and not a fake link. Then, type your email and password carefully and make sure caps lock is off. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the email reset link. Open the reset email and check your spam or junk folder if you do not see it in inbox. Create a new password that is strong and unique, then save it in a trusted password manager. If you log in with Google, click Continue with Google and choose the correct Google account. If you log in with Facebook or Apple, make sure that provider is working and you are signed in there first. If Canva says account not found, try logging in with a different email you may have used before. Check your email for old Canva messages to identify which address is linked to your account. If you see too many attempts, wait 15 to 30 minutes and do not keep retrying during the lockout. Clear your browser cache and cookies for canva.com, then restart the browser. Try an incognito or private window to test whether extensions are causing the issue. Disable ad blockers, script blockers, and VPN extensions temporarily, then try logging in again. If you are on a VPN, turn it off or switch to a different region to avoid security blocks. Update your browser to the latest version, because outdated versions can break sign-in. If you use the Canva mobile app, update the app from the App Store or Google Play. Force close the Canva app and reopen it, or restart your phone to refresh the session. Check Canva's status page to see if there is a current outage affecting login. If you get a verification or security code, enter it quickly and request a new code if it expires. If you do not receive codes, verify your phone number or email is correct and has signal or access. Make sure your device date and time are set to automatic, because incorrect time can fail authentication. If Canva keeps redirecting, remove canva.com from saved passwords and sign in manually once. If you are stuck on a blank screen, try a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. If you are on a work or school network, try a different network because firewalls can block Canva. If you recently changed your email, check Canva account settings on a device where you are still logged in. If your account was suspended or hacked, contact Canva support and include your email and screenshots of the error. After you regain access, enable two-step verification and review connected apps for security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.